Now we're gonna actually make some sea scallops on the grill that have a creamy cherry pepper dressing and some breadcrumbs that has some lemon zest and some fresh parsley. Now these are sea scallops, which are the larger ones. The bay scallops are the smaller ones. But I think for grilling, sea scallops work really nicely because they're a little bit meatier. I'm gonna take 2 skewers and go like this so that they stay nice and flat. All right, so I'm just gonna take a little bit of canola oil and just brush on the sea scallops. I'm gonna season these with salt and pepper. We're gonna go to our grill. I'm gonna put this right over the direct heat. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. So while our sea scallops are cooking, we can start to make our dressing. Take a little bit of mayonnaise and then a little bit of mustard. And I'm going to use these cherry peppers where they're sort of a little acidic, a little bit spicy, which I just love. And then we're going to add parsley and some fresh thyme. We're gonna use some lemon juice. Now, I'm gonna use some zest for our breadcrumbs. So I'm gonna take the zest out right now because I'm gonna use the juice of the lemon for the vinaigrette. Let's see our sea scallops. That's what I'm talking about, right there. Just gorgeous. Okay, we cooked them for about 4 minutes on one side. We're not gonna cook it for another 4 minutes on the other side because then they'll be overcooked. Maybe 60 to 90 seconds and then we'll take them off. So now we can finish up our dressing. About 3 cloves of garlic, some red wine vinegar, some fresh lemon juice. I'm gonna blend this up. Add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to toast the breadcrumbs with a little bit of olive oil right in this cast iron pan. I'm just going to let these dry out for a minute. I'm going to chop up some parsley. That are going to go in the breadcrumbs too, so it's going to be the parsley and our lemon zest. Okay. This is what we want to see. Some toasted breadcrumbs, and we're ready to eat. Take the lemon zest and the parsley, and as soon as the heat hits that lemon zest, you can smell the aroma from the lemon. That's it, we're ready to go. It's like a creamy dressing of the cherry peppers, red wine vinegar, some lemon juice, parsley, and then we're gonna take gorgeous breadcrumbs here. It's just gonna add so much texture. Okay, there it is, beautiful. You know what, I gotta try one of these. So much incredible flavor, those are ridiculous.